It's freezing cold. And we're waiting for it to warm up. Check it out, we're in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we're about to do a drive-by of Walter White and Skylar's house on our not comprehensive, but, you know, good enough Breaking Bad tour. Alright, so this is the car wash that Walter White bought to launder his money. It used to be Octopus Car Wash, but it appears to have been bought and converted to a Mr. Car Wash. You can see it's actually open. They're going through, they're doing like the vacuum, it's a live working car wash. I think it's probably a little bit too cold to go through and get a real wash, which is regretful since the Mazda is incredibly dirty from our recent trip to Breckenridge and it desperately needs a proper washing. Alright, so you might recognize these flashing lights behind me. This is the Doghouse. It's a local hot dog joint. It's been featured in a couple episodes. I believe Jesse bought a gun here, but I can't remember, so we're probably going to have to look that one up. But we're going to go inside and get ourselves some hot dogs. It's not the greatest in the world, but the chili's pretty spicy and good, so.
Chili dog with cheese. Spicy. And an onion ring. Dipped in my chili. I'm here for the chili, not the hot dog.